Today, I'll show you how to organize Google Drive so your files are easier to find, manage, and keep tidy over time. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple system in place that you can maintain in just a few minutes a week. Let's start by creating folders for your main categories. Open Google Drive in your browser and look at the left side of the screen. Click on New, then choose Folder. Think about the big areas of your life or work where you store documents. Common examples are school, work, and personal projects, but choose whatever makes sense for you. Create a separate folder for each of these categories. The goal here is to give every file a clear home, so you're not scrolling through one giant list of documents. Once you've created your main folders, it's time to move your files into the correct place. Go back to My Drive and switch to List or Grid View, whichever you prefer. Start selecting files that belong to the same category. You can drag and drop them directly into a folder in the sidebar, or right-click a file, choose Move To, and then pick the folder you just made. Work your way through your files in small chunks so it doesn't feel overwhelming. As you move things, try to be intentional. Ask yourself which folder you'd naturally look in for that file later. After your basic structure is in place, use color labels to highlight important folders. Right-click on a folder and choose Change Color. Pick a color that stands out for the folders you access most often, like bright blue for work or green for school. You can also reserve a specific color for urgent or active projects. Color coding doesn't change how Drive works, but it makes it much faster to visually spot what you need, especially if you have a lot of folders. Next, go through your key files and rename them clearly. Instead of vague names like Document 1 or New File, use descriptive titles that tell you what the file is at a glance. For example, instead of Notes, you might use Biology Lecture Notes Week 3, or instead of Report, try Q2 Sales Report 2025. To rename a file, right-click it, select Rename, and type a clear title. Consistent names make Google Drive's search feature far more powerful, especially if you include dates, project names, or versions in the title. Speaking of search, get comfortable using the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Whenever you need something quickly, start typing part of the file name, a keyword you remember, or even the type of file like presentation or PDF. You can click the filter icon to narrow things down by file type, owner, or date modified. This is especially helpful once your drive grows larger, because even the best folder system can't replace a fast, targeted search. Finally, add shortcuts for the files or folders you use all the time. Maybe it's a shared team folder, a class assignment folder, or a single spreadsheet you open every day. Right-click the file or folder and select Add Shortcut to Drive. Choose a convenient place, such as your main My Drive area, or a dedicated shortcuts folder you create for quick access. Shortcuts let you access the same item from multiple spots without creating duplicates, keeping your storage clean and organized. If you follow these steps, creating clear folders, moving files into them using colors, renaming files thoughtfully, searching effectively, and adding shortcuts, you'll turn a cluttered Google Drive into a simple, easy to navigate space that actually works for you.